Welcome to English Fluency Builder. Learn English the simple and effective way. In this video, you will learn common phrasal verbs using the word make. These phrasal verbs are useful in everyday English conversations and will help you speak more naturally. Let us begin. Make up. Meaning: invent something or become friends again after an argument. Example: they made up after the argument. Make out. Meaning: understand something, especially when it is difficult to hear or see clearly. Example: I could not make out what he said. Make for. Meaning: move towards a particular place. Example: they made for the exit when the show ended. Make off. Meaning: leave quickly, especially to escape from a place. Example: the thief made off before anyone noticed. Make over. Meaning: change or improve the appearance of something. Example: they made over the old house. Make up for. Meaning: compensate for something bad or something that was lost. Example: she worked hard to make up for lost time. Make of. Meaning: form an opinion or understanding about something. Example: what do you make of this situation? Make into. Meaning: change one thing into another. Example: they made the garage into an office. You have now learned 8 useful phrasal verbs with make. These phrasal verbs are commonly used in spoken and written English. Practice them regularly and try to use them in your daily conversations. The more you use them, the easier they will become to remember. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel while speaking English. Follow English Fluency Builder for more simple and practical English lessons. Keep learning and keep improving.